NightCafe has a cool feature called multi-image fusion, and I'm going to walk through how that works in this video. I do want to point out it does cost credits, but you sometimes get freebies when you're claiming your daily credits. So this might come up occasionally that you can use for free. So to use this feature, I'm going to go up here to the top and click Create. Now you may see your main screen look like this, and at the very top there's a little More button. So right now I've got it set to create an image, and I'm using a text prompt, but I'm going to change that now to multi-image. So I'm going to click this More button right here, and I'm going to get a whole bunch of different options, and I'm going to click this one right here, multi-image fusion. So from here, I can type in a prompt, but this is a really cool feature. I can actually select a couple starting images, and then we can fuse them together. So I'm going to click Choose Start Images, and then you've got a few different options here. I can use my library, so I can upload an image from my computer. I can click on free images and I can type. So for example, I've typed in tiger and now I get a whole bunch of free images that I can use, or I can click on my creations, and those are my historical creations that I've made so far. I'm actually going to go to the library and I'm going to upload a couple by clicking this plus button. Okay, so I'm uploading a moon landscape and I'm uploading a guy jogging. And now under the text prompt, I've typed in man jogging in a futuristic lunar landscape. So I'm basically saying to the computer, merge these two together, and now I will click Create. And now the AI tool is going to look at both images and try to merge them together and use my text prompt. And just like that, as advertised, it's taken the best of both images. It's taken the jogger and it's taken the moon background, but it's added some other things in because of the text prompt that I gave it. It's given me some futuristic sci-fi cool features. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the way that looks. All right, so let's try this one more time. I did want to highlight a bug or something weird that does happen. I'm going to click Choose Start Images here. And if I go to free images and I select two images to fuse together, when I click done, it'll give me this error message that it hasn't been saved yet. And if I wait a couple seconds and I click done again, I'll notice that the image does go over to the left-hand side, but you'll see this little message down at the bottom that said error downloading. When you click Start Image Settings, you'll only see one image show up. So I wouldn't recommend at this time using this free images option. You're better off just going to a site like Pixabay or Pexels and just grabbing your images and just uploading them directly. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to click drag and drop my image. I'm going to upload a tiger and I'm going to upload a beach. And then for my text prompt, I'm going to say, a ferocious tiger roaring on a tropical beach at sunset. So this picture is not at sunset. So I want to see if the AI can change the time of day. And now I'm going to click Create. Okay, and we can see here it's done a pretty good job. It's completely changed the tiger. It's removed the snow and it's taken the beach image, but it has changed it to evening, which is kind of cool. It's at sunset. So I'm really happy with the way this looks overall. Certainly cool if you want to create thumbnails or a social media post or any sort of graphics design tool. You can merge two images together and have some fun creating a completely unique third picture. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have a question about NightCafe, throw it down in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Here's another video where you can have some fun for free.